Track 1.47. Unit 4. Review. Exercise 7.
Hi, Kate.
Hi, Harry. What did you do on Saturday?
I played ice hockey in the afternoon.
Did your team win?
No, we lost. It was terrible.
What about the evening? Did you go out?
Yes, we had a party after the match.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was fantastic. What about you? Did you have a good weekend?
It was okay. I went shopping on Saturday morning, and in the afternoon I met Tina at the park in town.
What did you do in the evening?
We watched a DVD. We saw a really boring film.
Oh dear. Did you do anything on Sunday?
Not really. I played video games with my brother.
That sounds okay.